On that reason, he withdrew in movement, the whole movement in February 1990. Now, this action on Gandhi's own part has been strongly criticized. It was strongly criticized by those who were in prison at that time, and certainly demoralized the national movement. I'm afraid I'll close here a bit early because of time. I will not be able to deal with 6 and 7 today. Hopefully I'll deal with it tomorrow. But the issue whether Panchari Chora he should have withdrawn non-cooperation has been debated since that time. A number of Congress leaders who were in prison protested. Those who protested included C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru's father, and Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali had dual statements. Sometimes they supported it, sometimes they opposed it. But their position weakened because Kamal Ataturk made peace with the Allies, or the Allies made peace with him in the course of 1922, and then he abolished the Khilafah, he abolished the Caliphate. First, he abolished the secular or political rights of the Caliph, and then the Caliphate itself. So that Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali were now accusing Mustafa Kamal. And it was not clear how continuing the Indian movement or Khilafat would have retained the Khalifa. Certainly, as I've said, it helped to retain Turkish independence because Indian soldiers, simply because Indian soldiers could not be used as mercenaries by the Allied powers. Here the division now took place